A grouse.
Sorry. As I stab you with my balls.
That was on my list of things to see. So cool. They can be quite mean. Sounds like a guinea pig.
Just throwing it off the tree.
Or like defending its young.
I thought it was some like seismic activity, and then Netherbutter came up and was like, and I thought I was hallucinating it. And then Netherbutter came up and I was like, do you know what that sound is? He's like, oh yeah, it's a grouse. And I was like, well, that was very anticlimactic.
It's a bird.
I don't think it'll attack you.
Why do you think it's so habituated?
Probably sees hikers all the time.
I love how it came right up to us.
It did?
It likes hikers. Oh, ooh. Say what you doing.
Why would you run? Oh my god, it chased you! I don't know what to do.
I think we walk away slowly.
I don't know what to do.
Walk backwards. Oh my god.
Just walk.
I'm being chased by a grouse. Okay, it's... Good morning, we were chased by a bird. Becca ran from the grouse. I think the grouse was also afraid. He was like, what are we running from? That was scary.
900!
Just wait for my tram over here.
Woo! Yay! We did it.
Oh yeah, because that's where the stream was.
The excitement persists. Yay! Alright, my turn. Alright, 10 million more. Good morning. An eventful morning here. We hit the 900 mile mark and we got chased by a grouse. So we're off to a strong start. I really wanted to see a grouse while I was on trail. Mission accomplished. Didn't so much want to get attacked by one, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Today I have less than 12 miles to do. Just going to Swift Run Gap, I believe it's called, which is the fastest way into Elkton, where I will check into an Airbnb and get to see my sweet boyfriend, Andy, who will be in later this evening. Today I'm hiking with Soap and Gadget. Soap is just ahead, Gadget's just behind. And yeah, energy's feeling good today. Feet aren't hurting quite as bad as they did yesterday. Spirits are a bit higher. I think mind, body, spirit, mind. I think I give like a solid 7. Definitely higher than yesterday. I was feeling pretty anxious and in pain for most of the day, but was enjoying the solo time yesterday. Body, again, feet are feeling pretty good. I'm gonna go for like a 7. Spirit's about like an 8 or a 9. I'm gonna miss Soap and Gadget while I'm alone on trail, but I'm excited to see Mr. Andy, so that'll be a hoot. Let's do it.
I didn't even twig that you put cheese.
Taking a little break here. Good spot for a snack.
I'm here for meat stick content.
Check out that little buddy. What a cutie.
What kind of music is just that?
Hey, Gadget.
It's begun to hail.
Oh my god. Do you remember when you were start hiking?
Oh, shit.
Oh, that gets more cool than rifle are in this.
No!
I was just about to start hiking in this.
This is why I'm an advocate for long lunches. The longer the lunch, the less hiking you do in the rain. That's a good rock. Roots. Only got about 1.5 miles more to the gap. Almost done. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm just hanging out in the hot tub waiting for Andy to get here. My sore through hiker muscles. Loving the hot tub. Good night.